Hey, this guy.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's your doll daddy Brian Malibu here. So today I'm going to show you how I degrease my doll's hair with Snowlicious and Dazzle. As you can see, Snowlicious's hair, as beautiful as it is just very stringy, very like, I don't like it at all. And with Dazzle, speaking of which, don't mind this outfit. She is going to have an outfit change. This is what I'm gonna put Chillax in when I get her, and then I'm gonna put Dazzle in Chillax's outfit. So that's gonna be super cute and fun. I can't wait for that. But anyway, Dazzle also has pretty greasy hair. It's not. Oh,
Let's get sexy! Yeah.
it's not as bad as Snowlicious's hair, but I don't like it either way. So I'm just gonna show you how I work with greasy doll hair. First things first, you're just gonna wanna undress your dolls so they don't get baby powder and dishwasher soap on their clothes, because it's easier to wash out hair than it is doll clothing. First, you're gonna need baby powder. Baby powder absorbs the grease in their head, and I'll show you how to apply it to your doll's hair. All right, so first you're gonna need your baby powder. This is Johnson's & Johnson's, you can get it at Walgreens. And what I do, I'm just gonna take Snowlicious and make sure you have a doll comb handy. So I just have a paper towel. In hindsight, I should have got more paper towels, but I'm too lazy to go up and get it. So you're just gonna apply it to her scalp, and you're gonna get some on her face, and that's okay. And just like a little, oh geez, yeah, just a little, like nothing crazy, if you can see that. And you're gonna like massage it into her scalp. It's already feeling a lot better. And this, like, look at that, this like white and blue ombre is like kind of actually really pretty. So just massage it, and then you're gonna take your doll comb, just gonna brush it through. You're gonna take more baby powder, because I didn't put enough. And this time I'm just gonna be a little more liberal with it. And it's already like a lot more airy, her hair. Like it's getting all like crazy staticky and stuff. Good Lord. And you're just gonna apply it around and under and behind her head. It's already looking so much better. The baby powder really absorbs like whatever oily substances in their hair. I don't know the terminology, but you know. I know the method, girl. It's not that hard. Just apply where you think it needs to go. And you know, if you put in too much, you can't put in too much. You're not gonna like ruin your doll or anything. You can wash out super easily. And oh my god. Her hair already feels like so much lighter, like the day I bought her. And see that? It's already like getting super light now. And there you have it. Her hair already feels like a lot lighter. It's a lot more together. It's less greasy. Oh my god. And there's Miss Snowlicious. Her hair already looks a lot better. I'm really excited for that. Now I'm gonna do Miss Dazzle over here off camera, and I will be right back. So what you're gonna wanna do, apply to the scalp, rub it in, take your doll comb, brush it out, brush it to the bottom. And then you're just gonna kind of go crazy and brush it out. To the front, to the back. Just apply baby powder anywhere you think it needs to go, where you see any shine or grease. All right, guys, so we just applied the baby powder to their head. We start from the scalp, we brush down, we apply the baby powder where we see any shine, any grease, and their hair already looks so much better, like way better. Like the day I bought them, it just sits so pretty, like, oh my God. Oh, I'm in love. Oh. Now it's gonna look like your dolls did a bunch of coke, but you know, that's okay. We're gonna let our dolls sit and let the powder bake in their head. I'm gonna go to the gym and then I'm going to meet a friend for dinner. So I will see you guys later on tonight. What's up, guys? So I am back. So I have with me Dazzle and Snowlicious. And when you wanna wash out their baby powder in their hair, all you need is dish soap. I prefer dish soap over shampoo and conditioner because conditioner can leave, you know, greasy texture in their hair that you originally want to get out. And dish soap is meant to get grease off, like, you know, greasy plates and stuff like that. So all you need to do is just like run the water, wait until it's not like, you know, scalding hot so you don't burn yourself. And once you get the water at where you want it, you're just gonna take your doll. So pretty. I wish I could just like leave her hair like this forever. You're just gonna run your doll under this thing. Now what you're gonna want to do is take your dish soap, put it on top of your doll, and gently massage the scalp. Then you're just gonna wash your hair out. Now when you rinse the dishwasher out, now you wash out the soap. Now when you wash out the soap, make sure you wash thoroughly. You don't want any leftover soap in her hair, otherwise it's gonna get all gross again. So just take your time, no rush. And now we're gonna keep the step for Snowlicious. Okay guys, so these two cuties are all done with their degreasing. So we're just gonna leave them out to dry overnight and we'll check back on them tomorrow. Okay guys, so Snowlicious and Dazzle are drying off right now. Also off camera, I noticed Dazzle's hair was crunchy even when it was wet, so that kind of freaked me out a little bit. So I went back and washed it with shampoo and conditioner. So Snowlicious got the baby powder treatment and dishwasher with no problem, but Dazzle got the baby powder treatment and shampoo and conditioner. So when these two lovely ladies dry off, we will see which method was better. All right guys, and this is the final result. Wow, wow, Owen Wilson, wow. Oh my God, no more stringy, greasy spaghetti hair. Just all flawless beauty, Miss Thing. Yes, you better work. And now let's look at Miss Dazzle. Oh my God. Stunning, gorgeous, flawless. Wow. Oh, wow. All right, you guys, and that is the final result. Oh my God, I am so happy with how this turned out. Look at Miss Snowlicious over here. No more strings, no more grease, just beautiful, pin straight, silky hair, along with Dazzle. Like, oh my God, her hair is so long. Like, look at that, just flawless. The reason I don't have Dazzle dress is because when Series 3 comes out, just to recap, I'm gonna put Dazzle in Chillax's outfit, and then I'm putting Chillax in that outfit over there on the floor. So yeah, did you guys find this tutorial useful? Comment, like, subscribe if you did. Help me make this video go viral because homeboy has student loans to pay back. Alright guys, that's it for today, and until next time, peace out, Girl Scout.